Welcome, fellow photo enthusiasts, to our in-depth guide on cutting faces from images using AI for free. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore the amazing capabilities of AI technology in photo editing. Let's kick things off by launching your Chrome browser. Once it's up and running, type in Cutout Pro into the address bar and hit Enter. Scroll down until you spot the Face Cutout option. Once you've located the Face Cutout feature, go ahead and give it a click. Prepare to be amazed by the simplicity and effectiveness of the interface. Next, it's time to select an image to work with. Click on Upload Image and choose any photo from your computer that you'd like to edit. Once you've made your selection, hit Open to proceed. Now, we wait for the AI to work its magic. This may take a minute, so sit tight and let the technology do its thing. Once the processing is complete, simply click on Free Download. And just like that, your face has been cut out from the image. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content.